Come on, Junior. We had this talk. You know, you should have listened. Morning, folks. Well, found this calf across the creek last night. Had a set of twins. So, got to get her mother in, their mother in. Got another bucket calf for chores. We did have another heifer calf early this morning. I thought we were all done with the AIs, but looks like that might be the last one. I think we're into the bull breds now. I got the barn set up. We'll go get her in, put one of them twins on her. We'll put the bigger twin on her, keep the littler one. Well, we got another winter storm coming in. 3 to 5 inches of snow tonight, I think like an inch this afternoon. So we're back to getting ready for a snowstorm. I saddled up the old Red Roan for today. That seat, patent pending. I've already got her sorted off from the cows into this little piece here, weaning pit. I'm hoping she'll just claim the calf rather than me have to get her in the head catch and get him on the sucker. Hey, girlie. Psst. Like a glove. Now, let's see if she'll just claim her calf. This is the little runny one. We'll take this dude. What are you? You're a heifer, and you are a bull. I'll have to write her down to be a free martin. She won't be able to breed. What are your mother? We'll just have to give her a little time. Meantime, gotta get your mother in. That's your mother. The mouse. Get in there. That calf will get on her. Well, I made up a little bottle for the twin here. You're all right, lady. Ain't doing nothing to you. She came in easy. All right, let's see. You can have a little bottle here. You're gonna get yourself in a pickle, lady. There you go. There you go, little girl. Just sucking her down. So yeah, that cow I got in the head catch over there had these twins. Claimed a different calf, so I brought them about 1 o'clock and tubed them, gave them colostrum. And here we are. You're gonna get yourself in a pickle, sister. Just like that. See, now, that's why you don't do that. We had this talk. You know, you should have listened. You buy them books and buy them books. And all they do is eat the covers. She got out. Now see, that don't work. Let's just not do that again. Stick her in with the other bucket calf. Here, lady. Old Juno was late. Zeke, get back. Lady, you gotta give it up. You're not gonna get out of here, I promise. There's a calf that got chilled the other day. Give him a shot at new 4. And tag him and get him out of here. Just a little slow moving. Oh yeah. Come here, girl. I'll carry you out of here. Hopefully your mom will take you down to the hay pile. Come on, lady. Dad's over there rolling feed to him. This gal is claiming their calf. Calf's gonna have trouble probably getting up and getting on himself. So I'm just gonna get her in the head catch, help him get on her, get him to sucking. Lady, you better quit trying to jump out of here. We're gonna have a problem. Yeah, you quit it. There's the old weather forecast. 1 inch today, 3 to 5 tonight. 24 degrees though. Tonight, that ain't bad. As long as they're out of the wind, they'll be able to get up and suck. As long as the cow gets them going. Pull him out of here. So we don't step on him or nothing while we're getting you in there. Come here, buddy. You're all right. All right, sister. Get you in the head catch. Wish every cow acted like this. She just kind of calm, waddle in there. You need to take notes from this old gal here. She's just a good old lady, aren't you? All right, buddy, let's get you sucking. Get up here. Big bugger. Excuse me. Here we go. He's trying. About got her. Hey. Hey. There. That's the good stuff. Come on, Junior. I better help him out one more time. We'll let him do his thing for a while and wait till she's for sure claiming him, and then we'll get him kicked out of the barn. All right, lady, we'll get you out of there. He's still sucking her, but now that he's got it figured out, she don't need to be pinned up for him. Yeah. Oh. Back up. Back up. Got the old red roan saddle. We're gonna do a little tag. A couple of cows are acting like they might not let you take their calf. Heifer? Yeah. Come here, Junior. He's all right. No, he's fine. There. That wasn't so bad. Old goat. I thought she was gonna be way worse. Last night when I came and got those twins, she was on my case. She was in the vicinity and was not impressed. What do you got here? Mo! Hey, hey, get your head up here. He's alright. Ever. Gonna get some of these paired out here soon, or try to. Get back. Another bull. Bruh. You alright? It's a heck of a calf here. Keep him for a bull, probably. Got a nice cow. Got a lot of pairs pushed over in that corner, and all the ones that haven't calved clear down there for the most part. Gonna open this up and see if we can't get a bunch of pairs out. Well, there's one. Had to separate this one. This gal here is just getting started. She was claiming that calf. Probably gonna try to jump the fence, I'm sure. So I just gotta watch the hole until she goes and nests down, has her own calf. But we got 2 pair out so far. Take probably 12, 13, something like that. I don't know if you can see it, but the old snow is starting to fly. They're still calling for 35 inches here tonight. So we'll see if that happens. All these right here are mostly pairs. So I'm just gonna slowly try to work them over to that corner, wherever that is. have to come back and check on this calf. She's kind of hunched up. You're kind of scary looking. Why don't you pick your calf up and get out of here? Yeah, see, these are all pairs. Probably about 10 or 12. There's about 4 down there in the corner. But they might stay through the storm. If I can get these off, that'll sure help out. They're going to protection down over there in them trees. I don't want to push on them too hard because then they might get all wound up. Then want to come back. Think their calf's not with them. Come on, Mom, let's take them out of here. Take them out of here. They're starting to get the memo. You can see they're slowly found that gate, taking them out. These girls, calves are a little younger than those ones. The biggest thing is I'll just have to check this meadow tonight and make sure everything got their calves into the protection back there. Well, we got a pretty good chunk of them. That cow's coming back for that calf. Those 2 down there, I'm gonna have to get situated because their 2 mothers took off, haven't come back yet, being stupid. Well, we got one of them girls right there somewhere. She's coming back for one of them calves down in the corner, so that's good. We got to keep moving here, Junior. We got to keep moving. You don't want to be out here with 3 to 5 inches of snow coming. Take him out, gal. Huh. Looks like we got our other cow going back for that calf. Probably can't see him, but he's laying down. So it looks like they'll probably mother them up. And I'll slowly, they're pretty new, so I'll slowly work them down in there. I'm just glad she actually came back. Sometimes they'll get behind them trees and won't come back, and you gotta try to sort that out. Come on, buddy. Take him out of here. Come on, lady. Get him out of here. Getting most of them out into the trees. How's their weather out the storm? Back in behind them good cedars. They're right here. There. All right. The old goat. Good old spot for them to stick behind us, get out of the snow. Just gotta fix this up. Didn't break any wires, so just gotta get it off and stretch it up. She's right there, honey. She comes squawking in here, bawling at me, looking for that calf. Snow's starting to come in pretty good. I think it's still saying about 5 to 8 inches tonight, so sounds like fun. Here's that cow I had to keep getting off that other one. It's claiming. She came down and finally had a calf. You ladies ready for the storm? Hello, boys. Hello, boys. Kick you back in there. There he is. The bronc. Well, just have the bucket chores left. The heifer pair's all hunkered in. I'll get in and feed that little girl here in a second. Starting to snow pretty good, but not much wind, so shouldn't be too bad. Well, we've already got one, probably can't see, but we got a calf in here, loaded up. So I'm gonna tube that calf we just brought in. Pretty sure I know who his mother is, but I just don't know if he sucked, so I'd rather get some colostrum in him and be safe than sorry. And I'll just get her in here in the morning. Come here, big dog. We probably already got about 3 inches of snow, but it's about 30 degrees, so it isn't too cold. What do you think, hound dog? You got the next night check? Huh? You got the next check? Well, still snowing pretty good. This calf here was born just before dark. Be nice if she'd take him over by the trees where all the hay's out, but I guess he ain't doing too bad. It's 36 degrees actually, so I'm not too worried. It's a little wet out here, eh, Junior? Well, there's the new one. His mother's right there, and she looks like she's been sucked. And he's only an hour old, so I'll make sure next time I'll check her again to be sure he sucked.